Hello guys, it's Set to Achieve. Welcome to another video. And today I'm actually excited to bring forth this video. And this video is about the Mobee app. Okay, if you haven't heard about Mobee, Mobee is an app for secret shoppers. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit down and let's talk about it, guys. So recently I signed up for Mobee, and actually, how did I find Mobee? It was a YouTuber. It was a YouTube video that I follow, or that I discovered, I should say. And she was talking about the fact that she does delivery just like I do. You know, she does Uber Eats or DoorDash or whatever. And but that she discovered Mobee. I don't know how she discovered it, but she started doing it to get rewards. And she's like, it's very easy to get started with. Like, I think all I needed was like my first last name and then like date of birth or email, something like really really simple. You don't need a background check, none of that. And you're just going to stores, and basically you are acting as a secret shopper. Okay. And if you don't know what a secret shopper is, it's basically someone that goes into the store like undercover and takes pictures of like whatever the app tells you to take pictures of, you know. And this is all for like for like review, for um, just to kind of like, just for quality like analysis, you know what I'm saying? So that they can see what is going on, or, how maybe customers, or how products are, especially for brands and products like chocolate, or, other type of things, to try to see like, how they are um, organized in the store. Are they in the front? Are they in the back? Are they things that are like used for different things, like are they um like displays and things like that. I'm just trying to like think of my first mission because I've only done one. But I'm excited because I was like, you know what, let me put out the video because this is the first time like ever I've actually put out a video for this Mobee app. Okay, so the Mobee app, I'm going to leave it in the description if you want to get started just making like a few dollars. Like my first mission, I think I made yeah, I think I made 11, so 1125, so like $11.25 basically. Yeah, so I was able to redeem $10 out of that with a $10 Visa digital card. So you can use that to pay a bill. You can use it to like do like a digital wallet like in a store. And yeah, I mean, it's great. I mean, they have other things like Dunkin' Donuts and things like that and everything. But if you're not interested in buying food, they have like a Walmart gift card. They have different things. But if you're just interested in just like making some money, and like putting, buying like different gift cards, maybe to put towards bills or whatever, you can do that. Guys, I'm excited because, oh, I have my DoorDash on, but I'm not gonna answer that right now because I want to put out this video. But guys, it's really exciting because you're able to make sometimes $4, sometimes like I was my first one, I was able to make $12, or like less than $12, like, or whatever. And there are different missions. There's one I just saw right now for 1,200, which is like $12. I can go into Target, and like, so they break it up. So like you might have 400 points, like each, like 100 points is $1. So if you have 400, that's $4. So typically, okay, well, I shouldn't say typically because this is the first one that I've done, but I will tell you the way it works. Okay, so I did it on a Saturday, I believe. Yeah, it was Saturday. Yeah, it was like a Saturday, and it took like, what's today? Monday, Sunday, Monday. So I think it was like 2 days. So like, so when you do the mission, it takes like them a couple of days for them to review the mission, and once they've reviewed it, then you can once they've reviewed your mission, then they'll release your points. But when you do your first mission, it's still going to say zero. So don't be turned down by that, because I was feeling like kind of discouraged, like how come I finish all that mission, because that mission that I did was very thorough. It was like 50 questions, and it was, because they were paying that much, so like they expected me to do like all these different things and take pictures, and and stuff. And at some point I was getting kind of confused, like, okay, like this is like a lot, but what you can do, like you can break it up into like 400 points, do like three of those, or whatever you decide, but it's a great way, like especially early in the morning when like DoorDash, or like other apps, they're kind of like slow earlier in the morning. You can just like start, like maybe do a mission, go to Target. I have like these stores around me, like in my downtown of like where I live. So just like go, go to like a dual Osco, go to a Target, or go, just go wherever the app tells you the missions are available, and just do a couple of missions, just to kind of like, just to help yourself for the day, and make some extra money, while you're waiting for, the deliveries to start. So yeah, I was able to do it. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to Mobee. It's in every, like, pretty much like I think it should be an Android or iOS, Google Play or whatever. Go into the App Store and just download it. Download it, put your information in, and get started. Yeah, and that's what I did, and yeah, I've gotten some points, and it's great. So help you towards your bills, help you towards, to make some extra money while you things are slow, and just like, I mean, I think, because I've always heard about Secret Shopper, but I've never like really. I know there was one I was doing like some time ago, um, like, and like they had like a lot of like Target and things like that. Like you would go in, and but it would only you would only be able to redeem it with Amazon cards, like gift cards. That was it, just Amazon gift cards. So that was kind of like, I mean, I shop at Amazon, from time to time and everything, but that was kind of like limited because it's like that's all. But with this one, with the gift card, you can buy anything, So that's really that's huge. You have a virtual wallet, or you can just put it towards a bill. So I'm excited. I have $10. That I was able to redeem. So yeah, guys. Yeah, get started. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link to Mobee. If you are interested in making some extra money just around your neighborhood, in in little stores around you, start a mission here and there and see what's available. I mean, the requirement is not a lot, and you can just make some extra money and just explore stores. And it's kind of exciting, kind of like being like undercover. You feel like you're FBI or something. And just taking pictures and answering questions about the stores and stuff, and it's just like you're like a little spy. But yeah, guys, um I'm gonna go ahead and you know go have you guys just check out the app. I'm gonna record my screen so you can see what I'm talking about, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, share, and watch till the end. Okay. Till next time, God bless. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you what the Mobee app looks like. So it should be in the end. So this is it. So I just claimed a $10 Visa digital card, and it expires. Well, so I claimed it today, the 21st of July 2025, and it expires in 1 year. So probably this 7/21/2026. Okay, so $10 rewards. If you could see, I have 125 points left. I had I think like about 1100, 1125. So yeah, I used 1,000. So the way the points works is, so it's gonna, yeah. So the way the point works is, so if you have 1,000 points, that is $10. Okay, if you have 500, that is $5. If you have 200, that's $2. So that's the way it works. And so let me go to missions. Okay, so as you can see here, I just started this last week. Okay, the first mission I had was at Jewel Osco. It was like some kind of like shelf mission, shelf sugar mission, and you have to go undercover. It says for all missions, you are acting undercover. Do not take photos of store employees and never associate with yourself with Mobee or any brand. So you're not taking any picture of any employee or any store associates. Okay. So yeah, I acquired 1,200 points, and I don't know how much I have now left, but yeah. But I've acquired thus far though. My achievements are, yeah. So I've completed one mission. Yeah. So, but yeah, there are stores around that you can complete different various missions. So there's 4 different missions here for Target, which I'll probably go check out. In a Target near me, this is 1,200. So this is basically $12. So 400 each. You can see 400 each, which is so a view, and so you can see what each one entails. So it's loading. Let's see. So this is about 5 to 10 minutes, one photo, and it has 11 to 14. To 17 questions. It's a newbie beginner one. You can start the mission before you enter the store. So enter the store and head to the connected home section. It says an example image is shown here. In larger stores, you may need to ask a staff member to direct you to the smart home or connected home section. Do I have to talk to anyone? This mission requires interaction with a store associate around the topic of home security. Once you begin the mission, we will provide you with a sharper persona to impersonate during the interactions. Okay, so you have to be at the location before it triggers the mission to start. So this is for Target, and yeah, so there's various ones here. Okay, there's a Jewel Osco, and okay, these are like shelf missions as well. So there are different missions that you can start, like, and these are good. So there's even one for Teddy's Rock, says a Rocky road trip mission. So there are these different various missions. World's Food Center, Food for Less, you know. So there are different missions that you can definitely do. There's a Walmart Super Center, shelf sugar mission. Okay, so there are different ones that you can get started with and do, but it's pretty good.